here is an SAT question that even PhD students can miss. It's all about circles in a coordinate plane, and it is one of the hardest and most fun questions I've seen on any SAT test or practice test out there. And if you can solve it without any help, then you are on a great path. I'm guessing you can score a 750 on the test already, minimum on the math section. A circle with a center of 4, 6, and a radius of 5 is written in the form of x squared plus y squared plus ax plus by plus c equals 0. What is a plus b plus c? So we take the 4, 6, and 5, and we make an equation out of it. X minus 4 squared plus y minus 6 squared, just like that. It's going to equal 5 squared. That's the standard form for a circle equation. So we have 5 squared, that equals 25. And then we're going to rewrite that equation in a new form to match the form we're given in the question. So we'll do x minus 4 times x minus 4 because that's what squared is. We're going to FOIL that and get x squared minus 4x plus 16. Good. And then we're going to do the same thing for the y's. This part here is going to be y minus 6 times y minus 6, which is going to give us y squared minus 12y plus 36, exactly, equals 25, perfect. And then we're going to get negative 4x, and negative 4x is going to give us negative 8x, just like that, perfect. And now we have to do that, the same part to the y we already did. Actually, we combined the 6y's to get negative 12y. Exactly, I'm using different colors here to sort of point out the different components going on. Okay, so now with all that info, we're going to do here, and we're going to get plus 52. How do we get that? Because 16 plus 36 is positive 52. So we have a equals negative 8. And then we're going to have b equals negative 12. And now what is c going to be? C is not going to be positive 52, even though that's tempting, because we still have that equals 25, and we want it to equal 0. So what's going to happen instead is we're going to move the 25 over and subtract it. Exactly. Drawing an arrow here just to show that off. 52 minus 25 is positive 27. So we're going to have, for our c value, we're going to have c equals 27. Okay, so now a plus b plus c is going to equal negative 8 plus negative 12 plus 27. And that is going to equal positive 7. Okay, and that will be our answer. And if you wanted to test it, you could test it on Desmos. Plug in the original equation, the x minus 4 squared plus y minus 6 squared equals 5 squared equation. And you'll see it makes a circle in the graph with a center at 4 and 6 and a radius of 5, which is how the circle equation should work. And then we're going to take the same thing and we're going to do x squared minus 8x plus y squared minus 12y, then plus 27 is going to equal 0. And you see how the blue is perfectly in line with the red, right? If we'd messed up, we'd make a different type of circle. We'd make, like, let's say we had plus 2 equals 0, right? Yeah, exactly. That makes a different size circle. So that 27 is defining it for us.